The ICC do not have full control of the safety and security of the former president because I believe, and the way I see it, he needs 24-hour caregiver, bedside care. So, yan din yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. Keeping him in without a trial date, without a date for confirmation of charges, it's just plain cruelty ba? Pinapahirapan nila yung tao. Nakadetain siya ng para ba siyang kinulong ng hindi siya na-convict. Kaya sinasabi ko doon sa statement na for humanitarian purposes, they should give the or they should allow the interim release of former President Duterte. Anyway, wala namang plano yung tao na lumayas. Nakita naman natin sa behavior ni dating Pangulong Duterte noon, hindi naman siya nagtitreten ng witnesses or ng mga complainants. And wala naman siyang balak bumalik as mayor ng Davao City because sinasabi nga niya, wala naman ako doon, and that would be an injustice to the Davaoenos na meron silang mayor na wala doon. So, wala nang legal reason ba kung bakit hindi pa ibigay yung interim release?